In this scenario, we're going to take Solano because as I'm filming this video, Solano broke through immensely lately. So from the starting point, as you could see, it went up, went down, went sideways. So there's a bit of everything. Now, the first thing you want to do is spot your first level of resistance with the Williams trailing stops. Because at one point, when you see something like that, there's data. So the Williams trailing stops start appearing. So what you want to do is draw a trend line on your highest Williams trailing stops resistance, okay? And then, obviously, you want to look for a possible breakout, right? Now, you'll notice here that my 5 EMA crossed my 20 EMA, crossed my 50 EMA, crossed my 100 EMA. For a lot of people, a cross is a bullish sign. Yes, I could have entered here and bought some coins and tried to get a profit right below the resistance line. I would have made 100% profit, okay? So just like in the previous video, but this time with EMA crosses, I could have entered early, bought some coins, took my profit at the resistance level, and wait to see that there's a true breakout or not above my resistance line. But here's the thing, EMA crosses can go in different ways. And just look here, the 5 EMA crossed the 20 EMA, then it crossed back down. So, you know, the price movement is so fast on the little EMAs, like the 5 EMA, the 20 EMA that cross, that this would be something I would do if I would be trading with leverage or margin trading or futures trading, would try to scalp. But with this method, you can, wait that at least your 5 EMA crosses your 50 EMA. When your 5 EMA crosses your 50 EMA, this could be a good bullish sign. So you could buy coins and, as I said, take your profit before hitting the resistance level and then wait for a true breakout on top of the resistance line. So here's something very important that I did not show in the first scenario, and this is called Confluence. Let me show you what I mean by this. Now, you'll notice that my stock RSI, my RSI, and my MACD are all pointing up as a sign of bullishness at the same time. So if I align on the February 2nd, everything is aligned and bullish. And here in the stock RSI, you'll notice that we are in the overbought. Normally, we would say, if it's overbought, people are going to start selling. But because I'm working with Confluence, I'm also going to look at the RSI and the MACD. The RSI is telling me that we're above the 50 line, which is bullish. The MACD is above the 0 line. The histogram have green bars. And if I zoom in, you'll notice that the signal line crossed the price line on the 31st of January. So by the 2nd of February, we were in an uptrend here. As you can see, the MACD lines are pointing up. So we got Confluence here that it's bullish. We got Confluence here that it's bullish. We got Confluence here that it's bullish, even though we're a bit overbought. So this here happens on the 2nd of February. So let me go back here. 2nd of February, the candle closes above the resistance line. So this means that my entry is going to be on the open of the next candle, which is above my red line. So I would enter in the candle that has a circle here, because this is where I had my Confluence previously. So I waited that the candle closed and I entered right away. No matter the color of the candle, it could have been a red candle, it doesn't matter. Okay, so as long as you have a candle close above your resistance line and that you have Confluence with your stochastic RSI, your RSI, and your MACD. Now, about the MACD, I spoke about a cross here. It doesn't necessarily have to have a cross, but the cross is an extra sign of bullishness. What's important in the MACD here is that it points to the upside, right? So when you have all your Confluence, you wait that the candle closes and you enter as soon as the previous candle closes. In this case, it would be here. So let me show you what happened from there. I gotta zoom in again because it keeps going up and up. Let me show you where we entered. So just look here, all of that all of that up until February 2nd, we said. See, I entered here, okay? So let's just calculate how much percent profit this is. $4,792% increase from the point that we had Confluence and I got in, right? So this means almost 50x profit. Obviously, this does not happen every day. So this is why I'm after the 10x profits, not the 50x profits. But it's just to show you that when you have Confluence, the chances are that it is going to go up. Now, how much is it going to go up? I don't know. I'll be talking about taking profits later during this training. So for now, please move on to the next part of the training.